Hey everyone, it's Sean from Empire Drone. Today we're going to talk a little more in depth about a very popular usage of drones, videography and photography. There are so many different types of drones out there, and you may be wondering what drone will be best to fit your needs and why. So today we're going to cover the best prosumer drones for videography and photography in 2021. Let's get started. First, let's get started with determining your needs. What are you going to be using the drone for? There are a number of reasons why you'd be considering a drone for photography and videography. Some of those may include insurance claim assessments, marketing, real estate, home inspections, cinematography, roof inspections, travel videos, or a combination of all of these. Determining which technology and the specifications you need will determine which drone may suit you best. Now let's get into specific drones. Let's start with the more budget-friendly options. As a beginning photographer and videographer looking to start out with drone technology, you may be looking for a more budget-friendly option. Quality is always important in this field, and luckily, as technology continues to advance, the quality of even low-budget drones can still provide that high-end look. Drones such as the DJI Mavic Air 2, the DJI Air 2S, the DJI Mini 2, and even the new and super fun DJI FPV drone are great options for lower budget but still high quality consumer drones. You can still expect video quality ranging up to 4K and battery times that compete with most other drones on the market. These drones are also great for individuals who travel or fly on a regular basis and need a more compact option when going out of town. These can work as a great alternative to more advanced pilots as well who need something that's more portable. For those who are interested in something more advanced, there are a number of options. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2, and the Autel Robotics Evo 2 are some of the more advanced, heavier budget options that allow for a larger and more dynamic array of options while flying. Though products like the DJI Air 2S and the DJI Mini 2 are small, these more advanced options still offer a similar ease of portability and ease of use, making them extremely versatile no matter the mission that you're on. A drone such as the DJI Mavic 2 Pro can offer 4K 10-bit HDR with a number of color profiles, providing some of the highest quality video on the market. This option also has features like in-air hyperlapses that can take your projects to the next level. The Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro is capable of capturing 6K video and 20 megapixel stills, making it a very competitive and great alternative to DJI's offering. Drones are a great tool to fulfill your videography and photography needs. And as the technology continues to advance, it's becoming more of a standard offering when it comes to commercial work. Determining your needs as a videographer or photographer will help narrow down your options when it comes to purchasing a drone. If you ever need guidance, we're happy to help. Just email us at hello@empiredroneco.com and we'll guide you to the right direction. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit our website and subscribe to our social media in the links below. We'll see you next time.